Hey everyone, it's Annie and welcome back to my channel. I know this is definitely a different spot than I have been filming almost every single day, but I'm right next to the fire and I don't really feel like moving, so I'm just gonna film today's video here. So today I'm coming to you with yet another episode of Vlogmas, and we are going to be doing our final cookie recipe, if you can even call it that. This is a different kind of dessert than cookies for once, though I still can eat them like cookies. We are making not even Rice Krispie treats, just we're just gonna call them Christmas wreaths. Oh, I had to go get my phone. So this is a very simple recipe. It's also very classic, even to the point that my mom, oh, I just dated my mom, I guess. This is something that she said she used to do as a kid, where basically you boil down butter and then you add marshmallows and then you add, she used to add Special K, but in this case we're adding cornflakes and then shaping it into wreaths. So I'm gonna just tell you a little bit about the original recipe. So I got the recipe from jusataste.com. It's a really nice blog and they look absolutely gorgeous. So all you really need for this is unsalted butter, marshmallow, vanilla extract, green dye, and Red Hots. For some reason I had like the biggest problem trying to find Red Hots. I didn't even end up finding them. Steven ended up finding them at the at Five Below, which is a local dollar store. So try and find them. They're somewhere, I promise. So I'm just going to go ahead and throw in the process of making these and then we're going to try them out. So I've already listed off the ingredients. Basically all you have to do is melt the butter in a saucepan, and then once it completely melts you add in the marshmallows. Once those get all melted you add the food coloring as well as a vanilla extract and then the cornflakes, and you just mix it all together, and then you are going to put it onto a greased parchment paper. You could do wax. I used to do it on wax, but my mom made a valid point that if you do it on wax paper it might melt, so I did it on parchment, and then you just shape them into wreaths and add the Red Hots as little decorations. So I did mine a little bit differently. The instructions really say that you can just put it into a clump and then punch a hole and then make them, but for some reason mine were just not keeping their shape when I would do that, so I just went ahead and individually shaped each of them before adding on the Red Hots. So now let's go ahead and try them. Alright fam, oh it is dark in here, let us turn on a light. Alright, so I've had these babies sitting and chilling for quite a while. I don't even know how to like eat one. Oh, look at that. It slides right off, so we're good. Bon appetit. Oh my gosh. Oh wow. Yep. That is absolutely delicious. I approve. Woo! So that's all that I have for you guys today. I want to say thank you so much for watching this episode of Vlogmas. Feel free to like this video as well as comment down below. You tell me, what are your thoughts on these? Very similar to Rice Krispie treats, only they are made with cornflakes instead of Rice Krispies. But I really like them. Anyway, so let me know in the comments down below. Also, feel free to subscribe to my channel so you can continue getting updates on other videos that are to come. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you soon. Bye.